Look at my children using their no skills with their Crocs and their Adidas slides. Well, which Price is Right Ranch is under construction, and that includes making this table. Earlier this day, Tony broke our table that housed our Blackstone griddles or flat tops, and that forced us to make a table, which is good though because the table turned out really great. But you'll see here where him and the kids are cutting wood and assembling the the pieces, and you'll see me sanding down those pieces so that no one gets any splinters, because that's what moms care about. Jason, move.
Well, you'll use the top part of this.
Is it? Yeah. Wait, it's a little bit off. Chris, make sure that the bottom is. My child's Asian squat is effortless. He gets it from his Lola, his Apu. Okay. Chris, you gonna cut this next one? Is that supposed to be down like that? Is that plastic guard supposed to be on the bottom side, TJ?
I think it's slowly moves up.
Wait, here's Dad. Tony, does the guard stay down or up? Oh, okay.
Once you start it, it moves automatically.
So what happened here was Tony has multiple saws, and this so happened to be one that Christian hadn't used yet. So he was just unfamiliar with, there's some plastic guard that's on the bottom that just wouldn't move. And so rather than us taking over, Tony just showed him how to use the saw in a different way, so that way it was a little bit more efficient, and they actually ended up cutting the wood a little bit faster because of it.
Look, this is how you do it. Drop style. Put your line up here like this. Then you take this.
So while the boys started to assemble the table, I took the opportunity to sand all of the pieces, not only because there was some like print on some of them, there was splinters, but also because some of the wood was old. So I just wanted to make sure that, you know, they kind of looked even with color and texture. You know, as homesteaders, we upcycle everything, so everything's of value, so we have a hard time throwing wood away. A really hard time throwing wood away. And this time we got to repurpose it, so
Good job, guys.
look at that! How long that take?